a space wants to become a catalyst for relationships, trusting relationships between people. And so everything within the space speaks about transparency, accountability, and collaboration.
The space itself is really special. Something that new people, when they come in for the first time, is kind of a wow factor.
The warmth of the space, the color of the bricks and the furniture, and also this quite important skylight.
Collaboration doesn't happen like that. Collaboration happens when you have sufficient trust into a system, and one of the things that we do a lot of is building that trust between members. So alongside, if you like, the day-to-day working, we have a number of events that take place in here, some of which are community building events.
We have 360 members, and we know every one of those members. Community is a really big thing for us, and nurturing that community, helping that community grow their business.
People are simply at the core of what we do. We are not a generic co-working space.
We try to use design in the space which are about bringing people together, which are about incentivizing the flow of communication and sharing. The way we've built it and the way we've designed it is really about the collaborative dimension of it rather than the individuality of it. If we want to build a future economy that is sustainable and is for everybody, we cannot do this in isolation. This requires a collective effort, and this collective effort is what our members are all about and what ImpactHub is all about.